For centuries, humanity has been bound by the lottery of birth, a roll of the genetic dice that determines our health, our potential, our fate.
But what if?
We hunt time. We could change the rules of the game. What if we held the power, not just to cure the incurable,
but to redefine what it means to be human?
Today, we decode the technology that allows us to edit the very source code of life. Inside every one of our trillions of cells lies a blueprint, a vast instruction manual called DNA. This manual contains every detail about us. But sometimes there are typos. For decades, we could only read the book. We couldn't fix the errors. Until now. Enter CRISPR, a revolutionary tool that acts like a biological word processor.
It has a search function, a guide that can find a single faulty gene among billions. Once it locates the precise error, it brings in a pair of molecular scissors, known as Cas9.
With incredible precision, it cuts the DNA, removing the bad code.
The cell's natural repair system then takes over. And scientists can provide a correct version of the gene, fixing the typo forever. Find and replace. It's one of the most powerful discoveries in the history of science. Its potential to heal is almost beyond imagination. Take sickle cell anemia, a painful genetic disorder. We are now seeing the first patients effectively cured with this technology,
Giving people back the lives that were stolen from them by a single genetic error.
In the fight against cancer, we are upgrading our own immune cells,
Turning them into highly targeted weapons that can seek and destroy tumors.
genetic blindness, once a life sentence of darkness,
Could soon be reversible, restoring sight with a single injection.
The list goes on. Diseases that were once untouchable are now within our reach. This is the promise of gene editing, a new era of medicine, tailored to our very code.
But with this incredible power comes a profound question. Where do we draw the line?
If we can fix a broken gene, why not enhance a healthy one? To make our children smarter. Stronger, less prone to disease? Is this the next step in human progress, or the beginning of a dangerous path? A path that could lead to a world of designer babies.
Creating a new form of inequality, written into our very DNA.
A genetic divide between the haves and the have-nots. But the most profound dilemma lies in something called germline editing. This is when we make changes to an embryo, egg, or sperm.
Changes that are permanent. Changes that will be passed down to all future generations.
We would not just be changing a life.
we would be altering the course of human evolution itself.
A door that, once opened, may never be closed. The power to rewrite our code is not inherently good or evil. It is a tool.
Like fire, it can warm our homes, or it can burn them to the ground.
We are the first generation in history to hold this power. And we have a choice to make. A choice for all of humanity.
We must navigate this new frontier with wisdom, with caution, and with empathy.
Because the future we are building is the one our children will inherit. The question is no longer, can we, but should we?
What do you think? Where should we draw the line? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to decode our future.
Subscribe to Tech Visionary and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next.